Model, 55-plate Mercedes Vito 111 CDI short wheelbase, compact spares OR repairs starts and drives. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 252,481. MOT, the 12th of October 2024. Engine, 2148 cc 2.2 CDI, 109A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission is perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, air con. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.